So the other day I was thinking about like how do I get really good footage with my drone? Let me fix this angle just a bit. There we go. Like how do I get good footage? How do I fly it? What do I do? Where do I need to get? Where do I need to go? You know, just trying to be a better flyer. I know really the best thing to do is, you know, get out and practice and practice and practice. But my thing is, at what point do you get to a point where you're just comfortable with getting your stuff out there? So this was a part of my problem. I never considered whatever I got good enough to put out there. I was always comparing myself with other people, with people who, you know, have better drones. You know, the only drone I have is the Mini at the moment. And I mean, it's a good drone, but I always wanted more. I just lost signal. But really, my whole lesson behind this is just kind of do what you can. I'm gonna cancel that. Just do what you can. Just do what you can with what you have. Whether your stuff is great or excellent or the best drone footage in the world, it really doesn't matter because somebody's gonna watch it. Well, that's not totally to say it doesn't matter. Obviously, it matters. But the longer you hold out on putting your stuff out, the longer it's going to take somebody to look at it. And the longer it's going to take for you to get critiques on whether your stuff is good or bad. But, I mean, can drone footage really be bad? Just keep practicing. So I personally think there's a really big misconception with drones nowadays that should definitely be fixed or at least brought to light. You don't have to be an expert. You don't have to have 1,000 flight hours and, you know, all this other crazy stuff. Just get out there and shoot. The more you shoot, the better you're gonna get, obviously, but you don't have to have the Mavic 2 Pro or the Mavic Air with 2, whatever all these other fancier drones are. You don't need it. You just need a drone. You need a controller and an SD card and just shoot. And eventually you'll get something that you like, but don't be afraid to post it. Because like I said, the longer you take, the longer it's going to take on, you know, whether people like your stuff or not. That's all I have for today. It was pretty short. Just, that's been part of my problem, is posting my drone footage or not posting it. Because some of it just seems boring to me. And some of it may be boring. But that someone else saying it's boring or it's not very creative or whatever, could be that spark that allows you to go and make something better. Yeah, just get out there and shoot, man. Don't waste time waiting for the right moment, because the right moment may have been last week. Anyway, hope you guys have a good day. I'm gonna go home and take a rest. You guys be safe out there, and keeping every one of you in our thoughts, everybody in the world in our thoughts. And don't forget, when the world is at its darkest, be the light that shines through. Peace.